if you want to search for a song on the Motorola Signature, then what you can do is you can use circle to search. So in order to activate circle to search and then search for a song, you can, for example, use the home button if you use 3 buttons for navigation and you want to press and hold your finger on that button. And if you use gestures for navigation, then at the bottom you should have the navigation bar, so you want to press and hold your finger on that bar instead. Over here we can also find this music note button, which we can use, of course, in order to activate the song search option. So we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get the song title, of course, with the artist. And so, for example, if you are outside somewhere and you hear a song and you wish to know the title of that song, then you can use that in order to try to get the title of that song. Besides that, instead of using this circle to search feature, we can also add the music recognition button or song search button inside the control center or quick settings. If you edit the control center, then at the bottom you should be able to find the song search option. So we can drag it all the way to the upper side where we can, of course, add the option to the control center over here. So now we can go all the way in here and we can use that little shortcut that might be a little bit more convenient to use. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.